What way can partnership between National Assembly and educational institutions, in what way can it drive innovation to promote democratic learning across the country?
Okay, great. Let's look at it in two ways. First, you look at what the media organizations are doing, especially the broadcast organizations, how they broadcast what is going on in the National Assemblies, the House of Reps. We get to see what is happening. Yes, this is an opportunity for youths to learn about democracy, about how bills are passed, about it goes into the second reading and all of that. But at the same time, what about those who do not have access to TV? What about those in the rural areas? How will they understand what is going on? Now, another opportunity, another strategy, so to speak, is using the internet. Now you realize that some youth are not even bothered about watching TV. Everybody's going on social media. So are we also using social? But at the same time, I see that the broadcast organizations are also on social media. So in a way, the youth can access that. But what is important to make all these things very effective is orientation. How do we let them know that it is important for them to participate, to engage, to be a part of it? Because these things are being done already. I believe VOP is also doing that, to let us know what is going on in certain House of Reps or National Assembly. When these are done, it helps to educate at the same time. But it's also important to orientate youths, to let them know why they need to learn from that. Another way is to ensure that while they are being taught all of these things, for the ones that have the opportunity to be in school, they would also find a time to let them go to the House of Assemblies, the House of Reps and all of that to see how things are being done. And that is where the synergy comes in. If there is a synergy between these institutions and the assemblies, yes, youth students get to learn how things are run, and that can help. But the problem here is, what about those that are not in school?